Imagine a piece of furniture that doesn't just sit in your home, it tells a story. It has a soul. For years, Boho Chic has been about macrame and rattan, but a new wave is coming. A secret movement of designers is blending ancient craftsmanship with futuristic materials. What if a bench could glow? What if it was woven from a material that cleans the air? The pieces you're about to see are more than just places to sit. They are functional art, and they're about to make your boho dreams look more magical than you ever thought possible. Get ready to see the future of cozy. Number 1. VANT Upholstered Bed Bench. More style, less clutter. VANT is dedicated to creating an environment that allows for personal expression while maintaining a clean and organized space. Our meticulously designed bench offers a contemporary aesthetic that enhances the overall look of your room without taking up unnecessary space. It serves as an elegant solution for accommodating your essential items, ensuring they are readily accessible while simultaneously minimizing visual clutter. This piece not only adds to the decor but also creates a functional area that helps keep your belongings neatly arranged and your living space tidy. Easy assembly. This elegantly packaged bed bench is designed for convenient assembly, allowing you to set it up in just 3 straightforward steps. Experience the satisfaction of transforming your space with stylish furniture in moments, all without the hassle of complicated instructions or tools. The simplicity of the assembly process means you can start enjoying your new bench almost instantly, enhancing your room's design with minimal effort. Number 2. Nathan James Beacon Bohemian. Beacon is a beautifully designed entryway bench that embodies a bohemian aesthetic, perfect for those who appreciate a mix of style and function in their home decor. The bench features a seat crafted from natural seagrass, which not only adds a touch of organic beauty but also enhances the overall comfort and appeal of the piece. The solid wire brushed rubberwood legs provide a sturdy foundation, ensuring that the bench remains stable and durable for years to come, even with regular use. This bed bench is specifically designed to evoke a charming natural look that will seamlessly blend with various interior styles. The robust wooden legs offer exceptional support, making it an excellent choice for extended periods of sitting, whether you're tying your shoes or enjoying a moment of relaxation. Number 3. LR Home Brown / Multicolor Handmade. Premium handcrafted quality. This stunning bench is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans in India, ensuring a unique and exceptional product. It boasts robust mango wood legs, which constitute 80% of its structure, providing remarkable stability and strength, making it a lasting addition to your home. The seat is made from durable chindi fabric, accounting for the remaining 20%, offering a soft, comfortable surface perfect for lounging or accommodating guests. Its design is tailored to seamlessly fit into various home settings, whether modern or traditional. Durable and comfortable design. The bench is generously filled with high-density foam that maintains its shape and offers enduring support for users. With a remarkable weight capacity of 250 pounds, it stands as an ideal choice for everyday use in various environments such as entryways, foyers, and offices. This level of durability guarantees that it can withstand daily wear and tear while continuing to provide exceptional comfort. Number 4. Bali and Pari Adisa Natural Rattan Bench. Durable rattan and hand-woven seagrass. This bench is meticulously designed with a sturdy rattan frame that provides durability and longevity, while the hand-woven seagrass adds a touch of texture and a rustic aesthetic. The natural fibers contribute to a warm and inviting atmosphere, making it a perfect addition to enhance the beauty of any living space. Open and breezy aesthetic. The bench features an openwork frame that not only supports a lightweight feel but also allows for increased airflow and openness in your decor. This design choice enhances the visual texture and complexity of the materials used, ensuring that the piece stands out while still complementing your home's existing style. Geometric flair. Each seat on this bench is adorned with a beautifully woven geometric pattern, adding a layer of visual interest and refinement. This intricate design elevates the overall appearance and ensures that the bench serves as a striking focal point in any room. Number 5. Homary Entryway Bench, Modern. This entry bench is known for its sleek design and modern style. Whether you place it in your entryway, bedroom, or living room, with its contemporary design and abstract metal legs, it adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. This natural wooden entry indoor bench blends functionality with luxury. Comfortable upholstered seat. The homary modern entryway bench is upholstered in premium white for both comfort and durability. Whether you're putting on your shoes or just relaxing, the lambswool cushions provide a cozy seating experience. It's an ideal addition to your bedroom, living room, or hallway. Strong construction. The homary entry upholstered ottoman features a metal and wood frame for durability. The abstract geometry of its metal legs not only adds a unique design element, but also ensures stability and support. Easy to assemble. The homary upholstered ottoman comes with all the necessary hardware and instructions, making it easy to assemble and start using immediately. With its spacious interior, this bench is great for storing toys, keys, sports equipment, or any other items that need to be kept organized at the entry point. And that's how you turn a corner of your home into a bohemian paradise. If you're ready to add a centerpiece that's full of character and soul, I've gathered all the links for these incredible artists and brands in the description below. You can be the first to own one. If your heart is as full as mine looking at these beautiful creations, please show your love with a like. Let me know in the comments which bench stole your heart.